Hey, welcome back to edtech. Today I'll be continuing with the freeCodeCamp basic JavaScript topic on JavaScript objects. The first part, how to build a JavaScript object and what is JavaScript object, I already covered in the previous class. In this class, I'll be covering how to access the object properties with a dot notation. So of course there are two ways to access the properties of an object, which is the dot notation and bracket notation, which is similar to an array. So dot notation is what you use when you know the name of the property you're trying to access ahead of time. So here let's see an example. Here you're considering a variable myObject, which is an object with a property 1 for value 1, and property 2 with value 2. So if you want to access the property 1, what do? myObject.property1. That will give you the value 1. myObject.property2 will give you the value 2, and so on. Yeah. So here, that means it's dot notation. Just need to put in a dot in between the object name and the property, whatever you want to access the value of. So here, they've given an example in which you need to do an exercise to test your knowledge. Let's see the code here. Yeah. So this is the code. You've been given an object, which is a test object with property 1 is hat, value 1 is ball cap, property 2 shirt, value 2 is jersey, property 3 is shoes, and the value is cleats. Yeah. So here, what you need to do, let's read the task. So the hat value should be a string. The value of hat value should be ball cap, and shirt value should be a string. The value of shirt value should be jersey, and you should use dot notation. So let's further understand. So when you go here, in other words, half of the solution is provided, just need to change 2 lines. So variable hat value is test object. That's it. But that is not complete, right? So what is the formula? The name of the object dot property 1, and that is missing here. So hat value, in order to get the hat value, what you should do, that is the property 1 value, you should do dot notation, which is the name of the object dot the property 1, right? So in this case, we've been told in the information that the value of hat value should be ball cap. So if it is ball cap, what is the property you should be looking for? Hat, which is property 1. So here, var variable hat value equals test object, it's incomplete, dot, what should it be? Dot the property 1, which is hat. Right. Oh, why is this like typing so many times? Sorry, I typed a bit too fast. Haha. Oh. Okay, next one, shirt value. So in the shirt value, remember the value that you have to get is jersey. So for jersey, obviously it's property 2, which is shirt. So the dot notation is object test object dot property 2, right? So this will be test object dot, I hope it doesn't act up again, dot shirt, shirt. Oh my God, something seriously wrong with the typo. Never mind, I'll just delete it, and sorry about the property 2, which is dot shirt. So let's run the test. I'm so sorry for that. Yeah. It was very simple. It's just that my keyboard was jumping, so I had to pause and then delete it a couple of times. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so you are done with the second part of accessing the JavaScript object with the dot notation. So you can now submit and go to the next challenge, which I'll be covering in the next lesson, which is accessing object properties with the bracket notation. I'll be doing that in the next class. So see you in the next class. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do remember to smash the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I publish these tutorials. I'll be doing many more from the freeCodeCamp lessons in order to cover all the chapters in JavaScript and algorithm, etc. Yeah, so see you in the next lesson. Bye. And sorry for that typo mistake. See you in the next lesson. I hope you understood.